Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the "We can't activate Windows on this device" error in Windows 11. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Next, open Settings. Go to Time and Language, then select Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and also enable Set Time Zone automatically. These settings allow Windows to use the correct time when connecting to Microsoft activation servers. Now go back to Settings and click System on the left side. Scroll down and open Activation. Here you can check your activation status. If the activation section is closed, click it to expand and view more details. If you have a valid product key, you can enter it again. Find the Change Product Key option and click the Change button. A window will appear. Enter your 25-character Windows product key and click Next. Windows will then try to verify the key with Microsoft servers. Another common reason for this problem is using the wrong Microsoft account or Windows edition. For example, if your license is for Windows Pro, but your computer has Windows Home installed, activation will fail. Check your Windows edition and make sure it matches the license you own. Thanks for watching.